Breathe in the coziness of being here warm and connected with one another, and take that and connect with that divine inside us. We are so grateful. We are so grateful that's how we're made. We're individual manifestations of God, of the divine. Woo. What a joy and an honor and a privilege to have that be the way it is. And in this time, as we move toward the longest night of the year on Tuesday, we take a deep breath and let ourselves know of the importance of the incubation, of the darkness, as this season is about the birth of Christ. It's about the renewal of our connection with the Christ Spirit within ourselves. That spirit that connects us with the divine of ourselves, like the bridge. Connecting with the divine and living that on earth. We're so grateful. We're so grateful. And for just a few minutes, take a deep breath, relax into the gratitude of being with, connecting with that part of you, beginning now. Say out loud someone's name, say softly, someone who may be needing to know that connection, sending that love to them. Earl, Betsy, prayer people. And we know that whether they know it or not, something shifts in them. And we're so grateful that we can send this energy anytime we want. And taking a deep breath and slowly opening the eyes and maybe stretching a little, slowly returning to this room, the energy and attention to this room, maintaining that connection with the divine of you. And turning and making eye contact with at least two other people, knowing that you are seeing the divine in them and they in you.